Talofa lava malo elelei, whakalofa lahi atu, ni sambola banaka, talo ni, yorana, kiorana, aloha, kiora, and greetings to all those that are viewing this channel. My name is Paul Tupou, and I'll be showing you these tutorials, how to strum the ukulele the Cook Island way. I'll be back with you straight after this. Thanks for staying tuned and welcome back to this tutorial. I'll be showing you 3 basic strums that are different from each other and how they connect to create a Cook Island string band. I'll only be showing you strumming, no changing of the chords. I'll also be explaining the names of each strum and why they are called that. Now this has been passed down from our late father Chiaki Tupou, who has taught us siblings everything to do with the Cook Island ukulele. Now I'm here to show you these tutorials, the basics, to those that are beginning and that are wanting to learn how to play the Cook Island ukulele. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, now for this first tutorial, the first strum is called Tamo in the Cook Islands. Translated in English is rhythm. The reason why Tamo is the rhythm in the string band is because it's the beat structure of holding all the ukuleles, the playing together. Now, as it's being known to be a rhythm, it's actually not on beat, so it's an off beat. So when a beat like a kick hits, then the strum comes after that, just like a reggae strum. For example, we'll do a beat and then play the strum like. As you can see, that's what Tamo does as well. Now that's the reggae strum, and Tamo is basically the same thing, but Tamo sustains, so it just carries on, where the reggae, it cuts out. You kind of stop it like that. For Tamo, you leave it. That's basically it. So the beat goes boom, strum, boom, strum, boom, strum, boom, strum. And that's all Tamo is. But it is the rhythm or beat structure of the Cook Island string band. Alright, so that's what you practice first, and it's only the single strum. Okay? Now, we'll move on to a more advanced strum, where this strum is basically used in the corners of a song or just to make it interesting. Where the single strum is like a 1, this strum is 4 strums within 1 playing strum. Now how to play that is with the numbers. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the one single strum is 1, 1, and then the advanced one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And to play that with your hand, you can either play, there's 2 ways of playing it, but it's totally up to you. The first one I'll show you is you can either play 1, 2, 3, 4, which is down, up, okay, down, up, or 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down. I prefer to play down, up, down. I think most of us would do that too. Totally up to you if you wanted to play down, up within 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it sounds like this. Okay, down, up. One more. Now, the way I like to play it, down, up, down. Now to add the single, so it's 3 singles, and then the 4th one is the advanced one. So it sounds like this: 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1. Okay. Up, down, Now back to down, up, up, down. Okay. Now that you know that, you can also put the advanced strum in every second strum of the single strum. So it would be one strum and then the 4 strums within one strum at the second strum. So it sounds like this. Alright. Well, this concludes this tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed it, and if you did, thumbs up, comment, subscribe and click that notification button. Thanks for everyone for tuning in, and we'll see you in the second Cook Island Ukulele Strum tutorial. Kia ora e ki manuia.